Stuck in the middle.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would just take you guys along with my daily life, what I do during the week. So today I am cleaning my mom's house. Once a week when she has her really hard chemo, I like to come over and just help her clean up, just so she can relax and not have to worry about it. It's just one less thing she has to worry about. So today I am starting in her kitchen. I'm gonna be doing her dishes, cleaning up, wiping everything down, sweeping, mopping. I'm gonna be doing it all. So I really like the music I picked out for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it and jam out to it while you clean. So I'll just be popping in here and there and let you guys enjoy the music.
Nobody knows your white lies, white scars, all nights, black bars, burning me up, you're burning me up. Yeah, you're playing the Beatles. You got my high school t-shirt on. It's looking so easy. You're killing my headphones with that song. The way that you're laughing, spilling the milkshake in your bed. I know what you're after. Yeah, I know what you're after. Let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka cola light. And I'm putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows your white lies, white scars, all nights, black bars, burning me up, you're burning me up. Yeah, you're burning me up. White lies and scars. Yeah. Let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka cola light. And I'm putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows your white lies, white scars, wild nights, black bars, burning me up, you're burning me up. And I'm putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows your white lies, white scars, wild nights, black bars, burning me up, you're burning me up.
I got so much to say, never thought it would end this way. I've had so many thoughts spinning in my head. I wanna right my wrongs, never thought they would do such harm. You got so many reasons spinning in your head. That's why you left. Indispensable pain in your chest. Leave us for the best or you would break. That is why you left without a text. I miss you, babe. I'm forgiving everything that we said when we were drunk. It doesn't matter 'cause it all came from can't be too late. Been missing everything that we had. I'll miss you, babe. I miss you, babe. You got so much to say, but you're quiet like yesterday. Trying to read your eyes while we're kissing in the rain. Oh, look me in my eyes. Never thought they could tell you.
My mom's stove is the only stove I don't mind cleaning. Her stove is so easy to clean. I love it. I wish mine was this easy to clean.
Indispensable pain in your chest. Leave us for the best or you would break. That is why you left without a text. mistakes, I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it. I'm gonna revive it. I know
Once I'm done wiping everything down, I'm gonna go ahead and sweep and mop her floor. You'll notice I am using Lysol wipes in my mom's house. This is because we need to kill any viruses, bacteria, whatever that my siblings bring home from school. So I always use Lysol, Clorox, anything that will kill as much bacteria as possible for my mom's house. After that, I'm just going to replace this mop head. My mom uses the O-Cedar mop. I'm just going to replace the mop head and then I'm going to get to mopping. I used Pine Sol. Does anybody else? The smell of Pine Sol just brings me back to my childhood. My mom always cleaned with it, so every time I smell it, it just smells like my childhood.
It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running, yeah, every day. 24/7, yeah, every day. I will come running, babe. Every day. Yeah, every day, babe. Used to be scared of letting someone get close without the filters, but you see the real me. Since I let you in under my skin,
Once I'm done in the kitchen, I'm gonna head into my mom's living room and I'm just gonna dust, wipe everything down, fix the pillows, fold the blankets, all that fun stuff.
on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running, yeah, every day. 24/7, yeah, every day. I will come running, babe. Every day. Yeah, every day, babe. And days turned into nights on the couch. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running, yeah, every day. 24/7, yeah, every day. I will come running, babe. Every day. Yeah, every day, babe. I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down.
Once I'm done dusting, wiping everything down and tidying up, I'm gonna give the floor a vacuum. I actually did vacuum her whole house, but I only filmed this part for you, so sorry about that. And then once I'm done vacuuming, I'm going to sweep and mop her hallway. She has this really long entryway and hallway, and it's really beautiful, and I just swept and mopped that for her. And then after that, that's this whole video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure and give this video a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below if you're new. I would love to have you here, and I'll see you guys back here for a brand new video very, very soon. Bye!